The story of the Ring of Gyges. Gyges was a shepherd who found a magic ring that made him invisible. Whenever he wore the ring, nobody could see him. He realized that he could do whatever he wanted without getting caught. So, Gyges became greedy and selfish. He started to do bad things because he thought he could get away with them. But then, he realized that being invisible made him do things that he didn't want to do. He decided to give up the ring and be a good person again. The story of the cave. Plato tells a story about people who are trapped in a dark cave. They are tied up so that they can't move their heads or bodies. They only see shadows on the wall in front of them. They think that the shadows are real, but they are not. One person escapes the cave and sees the real world outside. He realizes that the shadows were just an illusion. He tries to tell the others, but they don't believe him. They think that he's crazy. The story of the ship. Plato compares society to a ship. He says that society is like a big ship that is trying to go somewhere. Everyone on the ship has a job to do. Some people are responsible for steering the ship, some people are responsible for keeping it clean, and some people are responsible for cooking food. If everyone on the ship does their job and works together, the ship will sail smoothly. But if people start fighting and not doing their job, the ship will sink.